Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you mobile bank how to get statement. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open up your mobile bank app and you'll be seeing something like this, right? Below the balance, you'll be seeing your statement page, right? Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, you'll be sent to your next page. Now all you gotta do is just simply select the bank and the account that you want the statement of, and then what you need to do is just simply follow the process and click on tapping on next. And once you do that, select your bank as well once again. And now what you need to do is just simply download the PDF file of your statement, and that's basically how you can get your mobile bank statement. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.